believe you were trying to say is thank you.
Thank you?
You're welcome.
What? No. I didn't. I wasn't. Why would I ever say that? I mean,
Hi guys, have you ever run into this problem? You want to do some secondary creation or editing, but you just can't find the original clean footage. All you've got is a version with hard-coded subtitles. Don't worry, with AVCLabs Video Blur AI, you can quickly erase them in just a few clicks. Let me show you how to do it. First, open the software and import the video that contains hard-coded subtitles. Next, pick the largest subtitle region so it fits all text. Then select Fixed Blur and drag a selection box to cover the subtitle area. In the right setting options, choose Erase. The subtitles will disappear in a few seconds, and the AI automatically fills in the background where the text used to be. Finally, click Export. In just a short time, you'll have a clean video with no subtitles, ready for your creative projects.
Thank you.
thank you?
You're welcome.
What? No. I didn't. I wasn't. Why would I ever say that?
Remove hard-coded subtitles doesn't have to be a headache now. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.